Hey, Dr. Chavez.
I'm Torie.
I'm Patricia Pattie.
And we're doing our thematic unit over colors for kindergarten.
We'll begin.
All right. Good morning, class. Today we are going to continue talking about colors, and we're going to incorporate it into our math lesson today. So let's go over the content and the language objectives. The content objective is I can sort my M&Ms by color and attributes. So let's talk about these big words, sort and attributes. What do you guys think sort means? Sort might be if you take your M&Ms and you take your red ones and you separate them from your green M&Ms. You're sorting them into different groups. And what do you think attributes might be? Attributes is a different word for characteristics, which is like colors or different shapes or sizes, things like that. Our language objective is I can share how I sorted my M&Ms to my classmates. So we see that word sorted again. So that's saying how did you group your M&Ms and share them with your classmates.
Okay, now that we've heard our content and language objectives, I'm going to go ahead and put you guys into groups of 3. So go ahead and put your desks together. And then I'm going to hand out, each person's going to get a handful of M&Ms, a coffee filter, and then this candy color sheet so you can follow along with the lesson. And here's our candy color sheet that we'll be working with today. It has the M&Ms on the bottom, sorted by color, and then across here it has the number of M&Ms that are in that category.
All right, now we are going to have you actually graph your M&Ms on the chart, and if for every M&M you have, like on the red M&Ms, I want you to place your M&M in that spot. So place your first one here, your second one here, your third one here, and so forth for each color.
So if you have 3 red M&Ms, how many are going to be on your chart? That's right, you're going to have 3 little red M&Ms on your chart. So when you're finished, this might be an example of what you may have if you had 6 red M&Ms, 2 blue, 3 yellow, 2 green, 6 brown, and 4 orange. And these are color-coded so that if you don't know the words for the colors, you can still follow along.
And let's be sure to write the number under each category of what you have. All right, now we are going to ask some questions for you guys to answer in your small groups. So make sure you guys work together and help each other with the answers. And one of us will just walk around and make sure y'all are on task. So the first question I have for you is how many blue M&Ms do you have individually, not as a group? Now, how many blue M&Ms? Brown M&Ms do you have?
This is me walking around informally assessing the students.
How many yellow M&Ms do you and your group have together?
That means we're going to be counting. That means we're going to do some addition today. So I'm going to follow with the rest of the questions. How many green M&Ms do you have in your group and do you have together? So count your green ones. Now, who has the most red M&Ms in your group? Who has the most little red dots on their graph? Okay, and the last question I'm going to ask is, if you had done this with Skittles, do you think your numbers would be different, or do you think we'd have different colors to sort from? What kind of colors might we have if we worked with Skittles?
All right, now we're going to graph. On the board, we're going to use a T-chart. Remember, we talked about T-charts last week, and it's our graphic organizer that we use. And we're going to graph our chart, the favorite M&M, your favorite M&M color, and your least favorite M&M color. So I'm going to go ahead and call out each color that's on your chart, and I just want you to raise your hand if that's your favorite color.
Remember you can only have one favorite. We talked about the word favorite last week.
And then we will do the same for your least favorite. And I'm going to, this is what the end chart would look like on the board. And each check would be done in that color so the children can see the colors for each.
Okay. So, wait. What? I think you already did that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and pass out fresh M&Ms for you guys to eat. I know we already touched these, so they have germs on them. So I'm going to hand out new ones so we can enjoy those. And I'm also going to go back over your content and language objectives just to be sure that we met these goals today. So our content objective was I can sort my M&Ms by color and attributes. Remember we went over these words sort and attributes? Can anybody tell me what these words mean now? Yeah, that's right. Characteristics or other ways to describe something, and sorting it is just categorizing it or just putting it in different groups. And we did that today. And your language objective was I can share how I sorted my M&Ms to my classmates. And this is where you were in your small groups of 3 or 4 and you were sharing about these questions that we had asked you earlier. So do you guys think we met these goals today?
All right, class, we're done for today.
Thanks for playing.